Hello guys. Uh, I saw this question trending on the Facebook, and many people are commenting, dropping answers. So we have 5 options here, which is A to E. So let's see how it works. The question is a word problem, mathematics with a wahala. So it's combination of English and mathematics. So it's really a word problem, and it is technical. Let's look at the question. The question says, some birds were flying and met a bird on their way. The bird greeted them, "Hello, 100. They said, "We are not 100. We need half of us plus you to make us 100. The question is now, how many birds were flying? That is, how many birds were flying that meant that a single bird, of which the single bird greeted them that, "Hello, you people are 100. So those birds now. If you look at this question, mathematically, we can easily say, let the bird flying be X. So if the bird flying is X, then based on what they said they need half of us, that is half of X plus that one X, which is one bird rather, to be equal to 100. And if you solve this, the answer will be 198, which is in option A. But this question is more technical than this way we solve it. If we reason to this question, when the single bird greeted them, "Hello, 100, they rejected that statement that we need half of us plus you to make us 100. It means those birds flying, they are not 100 yet. So this 198 is very wrong. So we cannot take it. It's wrong. So we can't say half of them plus that single bird to be equal to 100. But what do we do? If you look at this question very well, we are considering 3 things here. Number 1, let the flying bird be X. So if the flying bird is X now, when the single bird, then the single bird now, the single bird is 1. Okay? The single bird is 1. That single bird greeted the flying bird that they are 100. But these flying birds rejected that statement that we are not yet 100. So before we can be 100, we flying still need half of us plus you yourself to make us 100. So it means if we have X, this is we. That is we that we are flying now, the flying birds. Still needs, we need half of us. That is half of us plus you. When all these are added, it is then we will become 100. So meaning the birds flying rejecting that statement from the single bird is now X, telling the single bird that it is when you yourself is added to us And if you yourself is added to us, we are not yet 100. We still need half of us again to be added to us before we can be 100. So we can now say half, we can easily say half, so the half of birds flying now be equal to, is now x over 2. So this is the half of the birds flying. Half of the birds flying. Then the birds flying is x. The half of the birds flying is x over 2. And the single bird is 1. So with the statement now, we, which is the birds flying, x, we. Let's do it like this. We needs we need half of us, that is half of the bird flying, which is x over 2, half of us. So this can say need, we need half of us plus you, which is the single bird, plus you. So we need we, which is the flying bird, need half of us, which is x over 2, plus you yourself telling us we are 100, which is 1, to be equal to 100. It is then that the statement that you just said will be correct. Like we are going to have x plus x over 2 plus 1 equal to 100. This is a mathematical expression. We can just multiply everything by 2. So if you multiply everything by 2, we are going to have 2x plus 2x over 2 plus 2 times 1 equal to 200. That is 2 times 100. So this will cancel. We now have 2x plus x equal to, when this comes 200 minus 2. So this is the 3x equal to 198. So 198, we can now say from this place, we can say 3x over 3 equal to 198 over 3. This cancel this. So x equal to 66. So 3 here, 66. So the flying birds is now 66. So the correct option is C, which is 66. Let's check if it is correct. Let's check that statement now. Some birds were flying, and the birds flying now is 66 birds. That is 66 birds were flying meant one single bird that greeted them, hello, 100. They said we are not 100. That is, the 66 birds now said we are not 100. We need half of us plus you to make us 100. That is, plus half of us plus you, that it is then will be 100. So this one will now be 66 plus half of 66 is 33, then plus u, which is 1, then will now be 100. So the answer will be 100. So this is the correct answer for this war problem. Well, I'll be like English and mathematics. So please subscribe, share, and comment to my YouTube channel to get notification immediately new videos is dropped at the channel. And you can also drop your questions or drop any topic you want us to help you with. So concerning mathematics and statistics, so we can help you out, either you are in secondary school or in institution. Just give us any topic and let us help you to make a video in order to read it or study it at your leisure time in your home. Thank you very much. I remain Akonle Isaac, Maths Formula. Thank you.